talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, click here on account down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you come here to turn on the order transfer service. Just click in this sign here. So then you just click here on accept and open argument here. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.